jinglek ban sorjamin netwat jingmut kamjaliu halor ka Living Road Bridges Experience Center Wahlyngkhat ka jaka yakabalate bat penlut hado niopho klor kabakentup ya ka Living Road Bridges Experience Center bat ka Wahlyngkhat Residential Music Retreat kani ka jaka ka hapapo ka pin orsla subdivision East Khas Hills shibanta jong kani ka project kamau kernot rinthliang bat minring kat penyaso ya ka lenti ya kijat bat kat bai ki way pat ki jingdon kam nakabanta ka kam jngok kai perthei insashna hakabaya dai bat kani kamat u menteri rangba ka sarkar jilla u Conrad ki sangma ulong baya ka tei ka jaka lajiet namar ka jingskem jong ki jingking jri ki kam skem hakathan Wahlyngkhat ulapentibru baya ka Wahlyngkhat Residential Music Retreat kan ailat ya ki nongwan jngok kai perthei bakin yo jingtip shu halor ka jingrius pa jong ka tenrai u khasi.
So we are just here at the beginning of the Rantilyang Mokonot route bridge trek, and this is the ancient highways as they call it, and the route that the ancestors and our forefathers used to use, and it is still being kept like this and preserved. It's a beautiful place for tourists to come in, and I would really encourage our people as well as our tourists to come and experience this really traditional highway and traditional routes that our forefathers used to use. Thank you.